Today, I am going to talk a very important astrological technique to you as a person. It is called as the Janma Nakshatra. The Janma Nakshatra is very important as an astrological technique which many astrologers are never aware in their life. In fact, the Janma Nakshatra is used to only to predict the character of a person. Suppose somebody is born in Asilesha, his character is predict. Somebody is born in Bharani, his character is trick or predict. No, the Janma Nakshatra has much more use than what it is normally there. So I am going to talk about in elaboration the uses of Janma Nakshatra. Now many people consider Janma Nakshatra as bad. It is actually reverse. The Janma Nakshatra is a very good important indicator, an important time indicator in a person's life. For example, you take your Janma Nakshatra. When something happens in your Janma Nakshatra, it is going to be very significant across. For example, one of my employees joined in the Janma Nakshatra. I know she is going to travel for a very long period of time. There was a person who had opened the bank account in the Janma Nakshatra. It turned out to be very important part in life. So, very important events or situation which is about to open across. It is like a door or a bolt opening across. Then the Janma Nakshatra is a very important indicator across. Now many people, many astrologers, they get very confused about the Dasha Bhukti part of it. They are not able to understand whether the Dasha is going to be a Raja Yoga Dasha, whether the Dasha is going to be a malefic Dasha across. There are many people who are not at all very clear. They think it is Venus Dasha is supposed to be very good, but then it does not happen in that way. A very important indicator is the Janma Nakshatra. Check whether how is that Dasha in the Janma Nakshatra. That will give you a very good perspective whether he is going through a difficult time or is he going through the easy time. For example, there was a client who came to me and I asked, are you tensed up in the Janma Nakshatra? The person said, yes, I am very tensed up in the Janma Nakshatra. I told, in that case, you will be having a very difficult passage of time. He was so shocked. He said, yes. Actually, it is very true in my life. I am actually going through a lot of rough stuff, but none of the astrologers I have met have been able to predict this thing across. How come you are able to do that? I told, your Janma Nakshatra will give you a lot of perspective about how your life is going to be as a person. Now, there was a guy who came to me and he said, I don't know whether Sade Sati is going to be good or bad for me as a person, whether the passage of Saturn is going to be good for me as a person. There was another guy who came to me and he asked me, sir, can you tell me a very important technique to find out whether the transit is going to be positive or negative for me as a person? I told, after the transit, see the first Janma Nakshatra. If the first Janma Nakshatra is going to be positive, the entire transit is going to be positive. If the first Janma Nakshatra is supposed to be very negative, then the transit will be very negative across. He was so shocked because he had gone through a very growth oriented phase as far as his career is concerned. He was Rishabha Lagna. The Saturn was transiting his 9th house. When the Janma Nakshatra of Rohini came, the person actually started doing very well with regard to his life. So remember, Janma Nakshatra is a very important indicator of Dasha Bhukti and transit. Now this is not taken into an account at all by many astrologers. In fact, they do not see Janma Nakshatra as an important thing, and many people say don't do things in Janma Nakshatra. Actually, it is wrong. When you do things in Janma Nakshatra and you keep your Janma Nakshatra peaceful and happy, your life generally will go into an upward swing, an upward thing. But many people are not aware of this particular thing. That's why they tend to have a lot of suffering. Now, if you have 3 Janma Nakshatra continuously having a lot of difficulty, it means you are going to have a very, very disastrous year ahead, or the disastrous bhukti ahead. So it is very important. If your 3 Janma Nakshatras are very bad, then you are going to have a lot of problem. There was a guy who came to me, and actually on the Janma Masa Janma Nakshatra, that is actually he was born in that particular Janma Nakshatra, he went ahead and had a head surgery. I told him that he might not be able to recover a lot, and he might not be able to go back to his work across, because he is having a surgery, and that particular year itself is going to be a difficulty. It turned out to be so accurate that the entire year was a washout, and also he had a lot of problem. So your Janma Masa Janma Nakshatra is a very, very important indicator of how it is going to be. One of my friend told me that he was, in fact, during the Janma Nakshatra party, the cell phone slipped out of his hand and it crashed. And he realized the entire year was going to be problematic, and it turned out to be that it was problematic. So the question is, what to do? What to do when you are having a bad time with Janma Nakshatra is how to prevent things during the Janma Nakshatra. The first most important thing is you need to do rituals during the Janma Nakshatra. You need to do puja or homam during the Janma Nakshatra. It will make a massive difference into a person's life. For example, somebody asked me, which do you think is one of the most pivotal astrological technique for the remedial measure? I told him doing the remedies during the Janma Nakshatra will give you a lot of indicator, and it will prevent a lot of disaster into your personal life across. So it is very, very important that you do remedies and rituals during your Janma Nakshatra. In fact, many people go down because they are not valuing the Janma Nakshatra, which is very, very important. In fact, in Panchapakshi, the Janma Nakshatra is given importance. During your ritual also, the Janma Nakshatra is given very, very important. So to avoid any calamity, any big problem across, please do the ritual on the Janma Nakshatra. AdeshRPO.com does puja for people on their Janma Nakshatra. I have a lot of clients who came back to me and told me that their life is improving a lot. It is actually 12 Janma Nakshatras will come in a year. If you are going to do for your family members or yourself as a person, it is going to be very, very good. So in case you are having problem with your work, in case you are having problem with any kind of difficulty, you want to come out of the karma, you want to come out of the difficulties across, then do prayers during the Janma Nakshatra. That is very, very important indicator in a person's life across. The other most important indicator is the Janma Dina Janma Nakshatra, which will give you a lot of perspective about how you are going to be the next 1 year across. In fact, I tell people, if your Janma Nakshatra is having a problem, please do the ritual. Either you light lamp or do the puja, homam. In fact, I recommend strongly homam for people who are having a very negative, malefic dasha bhukti like that of Rahu. Somebody asked me, now which is one of the best time to do? I said, during a Janma Nakshatra with a proper lagna, you do it, you will be able to overcome a lot of difficulty into your personal life across. So therefore, Janma Nakshatra is a very, very important technique which is being ignored by many astrologers who have no idea or clue that this plays a very, very pivotal role. And in fact, you can see people who are successful, their Janma Nakshatra tend to bring in a good news and a lot of happiness across. I have seen 2 chief ministers who during their Janma Nakshatra, that is Janma Dana Janma Nakshatra, they got into a new chief ministership. So Janma Nakshatra is a very, very valuable tool which is used to predict the Dasa Bhukti, transit, and also do the remedies which will be able to clear a lot of things into your personal life across. Keep watching these videos across in Adesh, which are very different, which will give you a lot of insights about how to go about into your remedial measure across. What is pre-written can be rewritten. Don't confuse between karma and fate. Fate is different, karma is different. So therefore you can use this technique to upgrade yourself across. Thank you.